In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SSO with Okta in Freshservice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Freshservice, what to enable, and which values to copy so you're ready to connect everything in Okta. First, make sure you're logged into Freshservice with an administrator account. Only admins can change security and authentication settings, so this is important. Once you're in, head to the admin section. Depending on your plan and UI version, this might be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for account settings and then a security area, often called Service Desk Security or something similar. If you don't see it immediately, try the search bar within Admin and look for Security or Single Sign-On. Inside the Security section, find the Single Sign-On area and enable SAML 2.0 SSO. SAML is the protocol that lets Freshservice trust a separate identity provider, Okta in this case, to authenticate your users. Freshservice acts as the service provider, or SP, while Okta is the identity provider, or IDP. If Freshservice offers a provider list, choose Okta. If it doesn't, that's okay. You'll simply be preparing the standard SAML fields manually. Either way, once SAML is enabled, Freshservice will display the service provider values you need to complete the setup in Okta. These are the Assertion Consumer Service URL, often called the ACS URL, and the Entity ID, sometimes labeled Audience URI. Think of the ACS URL as the endpoint in Freshservice that receives the sign-in response from Okta, and the Entity ID as the unique identifier for your Freshservice SAML application. Copy both values carefully. It's a good idea to paste them into a secure note so you can reference them without toggling screens repeatedly. Preserve the exact formatting, including any trailing slashes, because small typos can cause SSO errors later. If Freshservice provides multiple region-specific URLs, make sure you're copying the ones that match your instance. After you've captured the ACS URL and Entity ID, save your configuration in Freshservice. Saving ensures the SAML endpoints are active and ready for the connection from Okta. As a best practice, keep your admin session open in another browser or private window so you don't accidentally lock yourself out during testing. That's it for the Freshservice side. You enabled SAML 2.0 SSO, selected Okta, or prepared the SAML fields, copied the ACS URL and Entity ID, and saved your changes. With these values in hand, you're ready to finish the setup in Okta and test the SSO flow end to end.